and welcome back to Tice Travel Time. This is my first ever vlog while living in Spain. About 2 weeks ago, I arrived in Bilbao, where I will be teaching English for the year. I am teaching ages 2 through 10 at a Catholic school that is actually located in Cruces, which is pretty close to the city of Baracaldo in the Bilbao area. This is a glimpse of the apartment that we have been living in. It was extremely difficult to find housing in Spain. I am actually living with another teacher that is teaching at the same school as me, that is teaching through the program Medeas, which is the same program as me. And we're actually living together, which is really nice. Before actually arriving to Spain, we had no place to live. I was really stressing out. In the school that we teach in, we each have a tutor or like a guide. And I reached out to my guide telling him that I had no housing and I didn't know where I was gonna live. And he reached out to the staff at the school and was able to find someone, her name's Mar, who was actually able to help provide us housing while we were searching for an apartment. This place that I am standing in right now has been our home. It has been so amazing. We have lived here the past 2 weeks, which was also our first 2 weeks of teaching. And today is actually our last day here. Since it's our last night, I thought that this was a really good time to show you where we've been staying, give you a good glimpse. It's also just gonna document my first home in Spain. It has been absolutely amazing. We've been living in Santurci, more on the stop of Cabieces, which is actually the last metro stop. So it's a little bit farther out of town. We wanted to be a lot closer to the center of Bilbao. We're actually moving to the area called San Mamés, which is really close to the soccer stadium, or the football stadium as one may say. And we're really excited. It's a great area, it's a huge apartment. I'm excited to show you where we've been living and give you a little bit of a tour. The room that I'm actually standing in right now has been my bedroom, and it's funny because the apartment actually only has one bed, so I've been sleeping on a pull-out couch. Here's a glimpse of the first corner. Here's been the view I've had out of my window. It's nothing too exciting, mostly just a building, but my favorite part is this table. Pretty much every morning I've been waking up and journaling, doing my bullet journal in the morning, eating breakfast here. It's been absolutely wonderful. Over here we have my bed / the pull-out couch, and this has been great. It does what it does. I have all my shoes displayed here. Yes, I did bring a lot of shoes, but many of them will be left here. So this is my room. To the right is my roommate Corinne's room. I'm not going to be showing you that, but that is just another bed. This is our hallway. Here's a kitchen. I'm doing laundry. The kitchen's honestly pretty small. We have like pots and pans right here, microwave. You have a washer. This is really normal in Spain to have a washer in your kitchen, and we do not have a dryer, so we just dry our pots and pans over there. We have a little table here. It's honestly pretty cozy. Our favorite part though is in fact this view. We have fallen in love with the view here. It's just stunning. It's amazing to be able to make dinner and breakfast and watch the sunset, hear the kids playing on the playground. It's been truly so amazing. It's definitely going to be the thing that we're going to miss the most about this apartment. Next up, we have the bathroom. It's honestly pretty traditionally sized. You kind of just have your toilet, your toiletries, your shower, and here it's the same view as the kitchen, just stunning. Most of the windows fully open up like this. And then the last thing, this is just terrible. I'll just give you a glimpse. It's kind of just our storage room. It has all of our suitcases and our clothes. We don't really have closets, so that's been what we've been doing. That's honestly the complete tour of the apartment that we've been living in for the past 2 weeks. We have grown to love it. It is quite small, so I'm very excited to show you the apartment that we have just signed a lease for. Today, I bought bedding for the apartment. We're really excited about it. It's going to be amazing. If you are, in fact, looking to move to Spain and you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. We use Idealista to actually book our new apartment. The best way to do this is using one of the agents on that, and working with them to organize a tour, an in-person tour. For us, the apartment that we're moving to, we were actually the first people to tour that apartment, and we reached out 20 minutes after it was posted. It's super competitive to find housing in Bilbao, but if you are looking, I know you'll find your magical place. Spain, please reach out to me and let me know. I would love to meet you. Thank you so much for watching and joining in on our apartment tour of our first apartment in Spain, and stay tuned to see our new place.